What's up, guys? It's Greeny. Been a while since I've done a video. Been kind of stranded at home with the current situation, but doing a little road trip. Gonna drive around the coast of Lake Huron, going to northern Michigan, then up into the upper peninsula of Michigan. So just take you guys along with me, show you some of the things. I'm at Tawas State Park right now, and this behind me is beautiful Lake Huron. And I'll just show you a little bit here. We're just hiking through here, me and my two boys, and just show you some things in Michigan. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, follow along, and hopefully I'll have more trips before I head back abroad in the fall, if I can. So that's my plan, is to head somewhere in the fall for the whole winter, but we'll see. But right now it's Michigan, maybe some other places in the United States afterwards, but I'll show you guys what we got here. So anyways, as I was saying, Lake Huron here. And we got here intending on seeing a lighthouse, doing a little lighthouse tour. I guess that's it right there. So if I get a little closer, I will show you guys. They have this road closed, so we can't drive here. It's only walking, but that's all right. I guess there's a lot of areas here that are flooded out. Go check out that lighthouse up there. So on the way to the lighthouse, there's a little beach here. Looks like people are chilling out on the beach over here. Lots of erosion on this lake. I've noticed lately that lots of houses for sale on Lake Huron are much cheaper than they had been in the past, and I think it's due to the rising lake level and erosion. You can get some pretty good deals. You're just not getting as much beach as you did at one point. Alright guys, so this is the Taos Point lighthouse. First lighthouse on our little trip here. And out that way is Taos Bay. And this is sort of the point. Try to walk up there to the water, see what it looks like. So right when you get past the lighthouse, there's a little trail here going out to the bay. Just show you guys what this looks like here. And right across the bay is the city of Tawas and East Tawas. Amazingly, not very many people here. I don't know if it's because of everything going on or what. Straight across the city of Tawas. The water's pretty clear here. I mean, you can see how blue that water is. Beautiful. $18.76. So we made it over to Sturgeon Point right here, and everybody's looking for Petoskey stones, and I think I found one. It's a little rusty, but I think it's a Petoskey stone. I'm not 100%. I'd like to find a bigger one, but I'll show you guys the lighthouse here. It's the lighthouse here at Sturgeon Point in Alcona, and I'll give you guys a better look at that in a minute. But it's beautiful out here. It's a beautiful day, not too hot, not too cool, probably mid-70s. We're just having a good time out here. So many people collecting these rocks. I don't know if they're valuable, but let's go check out the lighthouse. So this is the Sturgeon Point Lighthouse in Alcona, Michigan, constructed in 1869. And it overlooks the lake here, Lake Huron. All right, maybe we'll see a few more lighthouses on our way up to the Upper Peninsula. This here is the Bailey School. It's one of the last remaining one-room schoolhouses that was built of logs in the United States. Wonder if I can see in here. Can you see in there? Yeah, cool. So an old log schoolhouse. So now we're between Rogers City and Sheboygan, still on Lake Huron, and this is 40 Mile Point Lighthouse. This is really cool here, though. This is beautiful. All the other lighthouses were round. This one's square, so that's pretty cool. Stunning views of Lake Huron. So we found a pretty cool hiking path over here at 40 Mile Point. It smells so evergreeny in here. Some shipwreck.
It's a bunch of people.
All right. Alright guys, we're going over the Muddy Mac right now. Why don't we check it out in time lapse?